The new H-1B visa scheme announced by the Trump administration introduces major changes, including a substantial fee increase, prioritization of higher wages, and a shift away from the traditional lottery system. Key highlights of the new scheme. The application fee for new H-1B visas has been raised to $100,000, effective from September 21, 2025. This fee applies as a one-time charge only to new applicants. It does not affect existing H-1B holders or renewals. The current random lottery selection system will be replaced by a weighted preference process, giving priority to employers who offer higher salaries and hire highly skilled workers. The new rules are intended to ensure that only positions requiring specialized skills and offering competitive wages are filled by foreign talent, allegedly to protect American jobs. Broader impacts. These changes are expected to reduce the number of H-1B visas issued, especially to workers in lower wage roles, and may particularly affect Indian and Chinese tech professionals, who account for the majority of H-1B recipients. Many businesses, especially small firms and outsourcing companies, may find the $100,000 fee prohibitive and may reconsider their hiring or move more jobs offshore. The U.S. government claims this will raise average wages and curb perceived misuse, but critics argue it could harm American innovation and competitiveness in sectors like technology, healthcare, and research. Official clarifications. The fee hike does not apply retroactively. Only new applications submitted after 12:01 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on September 21, 2025, are affected. This is not an annual or recurring fee, but a one-time payment per petition. The proclamation and associated rulemaking are open for public comment and may face legal challenges before full implementation. These reforms drastically reshape the landscape for skilled foreign workers and U.S. employers relying on the H-1B program, raising both the cost and the barrier to entry in pursuit of high-skilled global talent.